How to deactivate or delete your Facebook account from your desktop. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can go ahead and deactivate or delete your Facebook account through your desktop. So go ahead, open your any web browser on your device, then go to facebook.com and log into your account. Now tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, then go to settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. From here, go to Account Center from the left-hand side of the screen. Now you need to go ahead and tap on Personal Details under Account Settings, that is below the Password and Security. Tap on Personal Details, and here you'll get 4 different sections of Contact Info, Date of Birth, Identity Confirmation, and Account Ownership and Control. Tap on that. Now tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account, and you'll get 2 different options of Deactivate Account and Delete Account. If you're looking to deactivate your account, which is temporary, you can go ahead and select this and tap on Continue. Or if you're trying to delete your account, tap on this option of Delete Account and then tap on Continue. Now, Facebook will ask you to enter the correct form of your password of your Facebook account, and you need to go ahead and enter it. After that, your account will be deleted permanently after 30 days. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.